Want to update to the latest version of Windows 10? Then you're watching the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you how to update Windows 10. So the first thing, you need to head over to the settings, click on the Windows here, and then click on settings. Next, head over to update and security. Now under Windows Update, if there are any new updates for Windows 10, you should be able to see it here, and you should be able to see these two buttons which says restart now, which will restart the devices and then update it. You can also schedule the update for later. If you click on schedule the restart, you can pick the time to update it in any time of the day. You should also be able to see an option for updating optional updates right here. If your device does have any optional update other than the main updates, you should be able to see it here. If you click on it, you can update any optional updates that your device has. So that's how to update Windows 10.